In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the transcript of any YouTube video using a handy tool called n8n. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right into it. First, let's talk a bit about n8n. It's an open-source workflow automation tool that connects various services together. This means you can automate repetitive tasks without having to write a ton of code. Pretty neat, right? For our purpose today, we'll be using it to extract video transcripts from YouTube videos. To get started, if you haven't already, go ahead and sign up for an n8n account or download it for local setup. The platform offers a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to create workflows even if you don't have a technical background. Once you're logged into n8n, you should see a blank canvas, which is where you'll build your workflow. The first thing you'll need is to add a YouTube node, which is where we'll fetch the video data, including the transcript. To do this, click on the Add Node button. In the search bar, type YouTube and select the YouTube node from the list. Now, we'll configure the YouTube node. You need to select the operation you want. In this case, choose Get Video. You will then see a field for the video ID. This is the unique identifier for the YouTube video you want to get the transcript for. You can find the video ID in the URL of the video. For example, if the URL is youtube.com, youtube.com/watch, vec49dxq, the video ID is dq419wxq. Go ahead and input that into the appropriate field in the node settings. After you've set up the YouTube node, the next step is to add another node for extracting the transcript. To do this, click on Add Node again, but this time search for and select the HTTP request node. This node is useful for making requests to web services and APIs. In the settings of the HTTP request node, you'll want to set it up to make a GET request to YouTube's caption endpoint. Depending on YouTube's API, you may need to format the URL with our video ID, typically in the form of htsvideo.google.com/timetext video ID, where you replace video ID with the actual ID of the video you're interested in. Don't forget to set up the response extraction settings so you capture the transcript data from the response. Next, let's connect these two nodes. You'll see small circles on each node. For the HTTP request node, drag a line from the YouTube node to it. This establishes a flow, indicating that the workflow should first fetch the video data and then proceed to grab the transcript. Now it's time to test the workflow. At the top right corner, you'll find an Execute Workflow button. Click on that and watch as n8n fetches the video's transcript. If everything is set up correctly, you should see the transcript data populated. And there you have it. You have successfully created a workflow to get the transcript of any YouTube video using n8n. If you want to refine this process further, you can add features like saving the transcript to a file or even sending it to a different service for processing. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks on automating your tasks with n8n.